Hello, Rahul. Good morning and welcome. Congratulations for your wonderful scores. This was your desired score, and you have achieved this in the first attempt.
Yes, ma'am, it was my desired score, and it was my first time also. Thanks to PT tutorials and you, ma'am, you guided me so well that I scored this much in my first attempt.
Okay, thank you so much. So, you like the PT tutorial study curriculum, the pattern of 20 days coaching.
And the content of the PT tutorials was very informative and very much supportive. And the tips and tricks shared by you, it helped me a lot. So I can say it's like anyone who wants to score good in a PT must join PT tutorials.
Thank you so much for giving me time and sharing your experience with all of us.
I would like to thank you and PT tutorials for this success.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.